Well, good morning, Merry Christmas. There's just so many things happening this year that I thought, why not do a vlog and take you all with me? So, you may not know, but I'm actually from Newfoundland. Surprise, surprise. No, I no longer have an accent. If you want to know why, it's because I was bullied, honestly. Bullied for how I spoke, so I taught myself to enunciate and speak slowly. So anyway, I'm from Newfoundland, and Quinn and I have been together for 7 years, and I have not made him a jigs dinner yet. So his family and my family are coming over. It's our first year hosting Christmas dinner at ours, and I'm making him a whole Newfie turkey dinner. We've got the salt beef, the peas pudding, the blueberry pudding. We're not doing doughboys because, I don't know, we just aren't. Yeah, so I thought I would take you along and do some of that with me. I have the table set up beautifully. I did that yesterday. I'm making a Bush de Noël or a Christmas Yule log cake. Yeah, I'm really excited. So this happened! I can't believe it. Does this ring make me look engaged? It's facing me, but I'm getting you in it because we're engaged.
Yes.
And we're going to Disney. We're gonna celebrate in Disney.
Relax.
Right, Loki Pokey?
Relax.
Mommy and Daddy are getting married! What? And nobody knows, not even our parents. Hello! Need some help?
I have a lot of stuff.
Oh, okay.
I can probably manage it. This is stuffing.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Get in there. Get in there.
Where's the door?
With Noah.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, I'm moving in.
Yeah, there you go.
That the last of it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. Better be. Okay. Whew. If I'm parked behind you, you take my car to the movie.
His parents are picking them up.
All right.
Yeah.
I knew that.
It's all good.
Do you want a mimosa? I want to show you what he got me.
When? You fucking did not. You did not. You got engaged?
This morning.
You did not.
And we're celebrating in Disneyland. This is the biggest secret. I've been trembling all morning. I was trying not to grab anything from your hands when you came in.
Oh my god! I'm in shock! I'm so happy for you. The ring is gorgeous. Oh my god!
2.5 carats
Holy shit, it looks
with diamonds on the side.
Does anyone else know?
Nobody knows.
Not even his parents!
I'm so happy for you guys.
His parents don't know.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Everyone is finding out when they come over today. My cheeks hurt. I've been smiling all morning.
How did he do it?
And as I picked up the box and saw the little one, he got down on one knee.
She didn't cry though.
No. I thought I would cry, but I think I was just like too flabbergasted and excited and happy and like fucking finally that I had no tears.
I know cry too, but I feel safe.
And this morning,
How does it feel?
Good.
he was nervous. He was shaking.
Oh my god.
Both of us were shaking.
That's so sweet. I love it.
Nah.
Quinn, you did good. Wow. Sissy, you're gonna be married.
I know, I'm a bride. Now you can play my wedding.
Oh my goodness.
Loki bear.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Me too. I'm like,
Oh. See, good things come when you wait.
yeah. Merry Christmas. Goodness, boys. Thank you. Want to see what I got?
Oh wow. No way. This morning?
Yeah.
No way.
We're celebrating in Disneyland.
Very nice. Well, congratulations.
Thank you. What?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, me neither.
Did you faint or anything? Or?
Oh, I feel sick. I'm that dizzy and shaky and oh. I feel like
I had no
faint.
clue.
Me neither.
Well, good job.
No one knows. Like his parents don't know.
Really?
Our parents didn't know.
I just found out.
What did Auntie say there?
She couldn't believe it either.
So shocking. I thought I would like burst into tears.
I didn't cry either. Okay, let's get in. Yeah. Say hi to my YouTube subscribers. Hello. What do you think of today?
Complete shock. Surprised, shocked, excited, surreal moment.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Because I know how long you've been wanting this, so.
Yeah. And now she's here helping me make Jiggs dinner. We've got our salt beef and vegetables, our potatoes, our stuffing, the bird is in the oven, and the rest of our family is coming soon.
Summer, once again, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Just like you were born.
Oh, thank you.
You didn't miss nothing. The movie was so
So shit. Quinn told me, he's like, we all said it's a 3 out of 10.
The screen's nice in the IMAX. That was awesome. Hello, Thor. Hello, baby. Hello. I like your Yule log.
Thank you.
Oh, it's just being fixed here.
Oh, thanks.
Girl,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Just
Hey.
actually forgot it was Christmas.
Oh my goodness. TR.
Yes, it's a
TR and CR. I want you guys to look what Quinn got me for Christmas.
New dress.
Oh my goodness.
No. And what? No, he never said a word.
I know.
Holy Toledo.
Beautiful. Congratulations.
Okay, well
Oh,
that's a big day.
congratulations.
That's crazy.
Well done.
awesome.
Wow.
And he said that
Way to
we're
go, old man.
celebrating in Disneyland.
Yes. Wow.
Wow.
You must have just shit yourself.
Don't say that.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Wow,
beautiful.
that's
Isn't
awesome.
it?
Okay.
You didn't pick that out
You're
yourself?
almost
I
family.
sent him things that I liked.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
because I knew you liked that oval, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's funny. My mom, I talked to her this morning. She said, "Any
Wow.
engagements?" I said, "Well, not that I know of. I don't think there's any in the wind." And I also said, "I've got pretty good radar." And I'm not sensing anything.
I missed you.
It was a surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it fits your
Yeah.
shirt.
Hi, thanks for coming. You came right from shift. In your blues.
Oh,
You don't have to bring it to change your clothes.
Do you want to change clothes?
No, I'm sure.
Yeah. I'll go upstairs
you
and
put
stuff.
something over your head?
Show them your.
Yeah, I want to show you what Quinn got me for Christmas.
Relax.
Whoa! Congratulations!
Hey, Loki, relax.
This morning.
Oh.
6.5.
Loki.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, congratulations, bud. Get an honest man and woman out of it, eh?
Loki.
So he gave me one box and it had this Disney t-shirt in it
Oh, yeah?
with that card and it said, let's celebrate this in Disneyland. And I'm thinking like,
Did
this
you pick the wrong
what?
one first, or that was the
No,
first
he wanted me to pick this
Oh,
first.
okay.
So yeah, I opened this in the card and he's like, celebrate this in Disneyland. I'm like, what is this? This Christmas? And then I opened the next box. It was a big box. And it had the little
Oh.
inside of it. They don't know that. Hi! Hello! Merry Christmas! Thanks for coming!
Absolutely.
Oh, you look lovely!
Kick
I
all
love
over
your
the
dress.
face. You look so pretty.
Merry Christmas! Oh, thank you!
Good to see you.
Good to see you guys.
I hope it's recording me.
Hi.
Ella, Jake, I have this to show you. I want to show you what Quinn got me for Christmas.
No.
We thought she'd scream.
Hi, buddy. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Right on, good for you.
We thought she'd scream.
I thought you'd scream.
Congratulations. Good for you guys.
That's so nice. Now go back for yelling at the dog. Edit that out of the video. Oh, that's
They were gonna ruin it. So
when did that happen?
this morning,
Oh.
yeah. So I opened a box and it had this T-shirt in it and the card, and it just said, "Let's celebrate this in Disneyland." And so I'm thinking, like, what the fuck is this? Like Christmas?
Yeah.
Celebrate what? And then I opened the next box and it was a big box. And I take off the lid and there was a little ring box in it. So he took the ring box and then got down on one knee and asked me. Yeah.
That is so
In front of our tree.
nice.
Just the two of us at home. Yeah.
That's so
It was
nice.
perfect.
I literally asked Quinn, I was like, oh, what'd you get Summer for Christmas? He's like, oh, I got her a few things. You'll see tonight. She'll show you. And I was like, oh, okay. Oh my gosh. And you guys are, oh,
And we're celebrating in Disneyland.
When are you going?
I was not expecting it. I mean, like I had
think
a vibe,
anybody
a thought, but yeah.
Were you, Quinn?
Yeah, were you?
Either, no.
Did you have any nerves or?
Oh, we were trembling.
Oh yeah. I was shaking.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
After, when like I said yes, obviously, and we were hugging and embracing, both of us were like trembling. Yeah.
That's so
And I've been
nice.
sweating and panicking all day.
Because it's a big secret.
Did anyone know this was going to happen? Did you guys know?
No, he didn't tell anyone.
Oh.
No, we spent the day saying how lousy Aquaman was. And
3 out of 3. And
3 out of 10. That's what they did today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
What's this one? All the food.
Turnips.
Turnips.
Thor.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
Turnips, mashed butter. And there's blueberry pudding, and you serve that with gravy.
I'm finding that hard to believe, but I'm in.
You're gonna try it. Oh, I forgot
Give
the
it over.
turkey.
I love
You
stuffing.
browned
Stuffing's
again.
my favorite part.
Same, and she makes a good stuffing with cranberries and sausage and apple.
Sorry, I have to loop
Around
around
in it, but don't talk
Peas
about it.
pudding.
Kim doesn't like fruit.
What's
so
peas
it's
pudding?
stuffing.
Delicious.
He doesn't like any fruit.
Yeah, it's yellow peas out, like.
And just like that, Christmas is over for another year. This was the best day and best Christmas. I'm a bride. She's in her bridal era. And you best believe I'm going to be doing a whole bridal series. Thank you so much for watching and sharing this special moment with me. All right, now that it's the next day and I've come down from the high a little bit, I thought I would explain how this all happened or how he proposed. So I had no idea. He was so calm, cool, and collected. He did not look nervous to me at all. Opening presents, stockings, having coffee, mimosa. No, actually the mimosa wasn't until we got engaged, but coffee and Bailey's, no nerves that I saw whatsoever. And he had me open one box, and he said, these are the last 2 boxes, open these last in this specific order. So I opened one box, and it was this Disney shirt. So it was this Disney t-shirt and this pretty Disney card, and it said, let's go celebrate this in Disneyland. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh, okay. He's for sure gonna propose in Disney. So I was like, preparing myself for a smidgen of disappointment that it's not happening today, but hey, I'm going to Disney, so hurrah. And then I opened the next box, and it was a big box with the ring box inside. So as soon as I opened the lid and saw the little box, I just stared at it for a second, and then he took it and got down on one knee and asked if I'd marry him. Actually, he started it by saying, so this is a proposal. And he went, and I was gonna do it in Disney, but I decided to do it now, and we could celebrate in Disney, but will you marry me? I'll remember that moment, hopefully for the rest of my life. And I'm going to Disney. What the fuck? Is this not the cutest way? I think this is just darling. And all my favorite princesses, best Christmas ever.